I am Bhaskar, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Sai Vidya Institute of Technology. In today's class, we are going to see the chapter Partial Differential Equations. Partial Differential Equations. Partial Differential Equations. Partial differential equations. What is partial differential equation means? What is this one? We'll tell that PDE. What is the definition of PDE? PDE means an equation involving one or more partial derivatives, partial derivatives of a function of two or more variables is called a partial differential equation. Is called a partial differential equations. It's called a partial differential equation. In this, this is the definition of partial differential equation, an equation involving one or more partial derivatives of a function of two or more variables is called partial differential equations. Next, in this one, we are going to see right. In today's class, in this partial differential equations, we are going to see formation of PDE, partial differential equations, PDE, by eliminating arbitrary constants, and arbitrary functions. But here we are going to see, in today's class, only we are going to see arbitrary constants only we are going to see, right? How do you eliminate arbitrary constants? Here, suppose the given function, given a relation of the form f of x comma y comma z comma a comma b equal to 0, where z is a function of differentiate we differentiate the given relation with respect to x and y with respect to x and y partially and eliminate the arbitrary constant and eliminate the arbitrary constant and eliminate the arbitrary constant a comma b from the PDE in case suppose the number of arbitrary constants the number of arbitrary constants are more than the number of independent variables or more than the number of independent variables we need appropriate number of partial derivatives of second and higher order also right. We will see the problems in this one. So what they are telling that if here z is a function of two variables x and y, then only two arbitrary constants are there, means the solution should be in first order derivatives. If z is a function of more than two variables, that means if z containing more than two independent variables, if z containing more than two independent variables, if the independent variables are more than the arbitrary constants, if arbitrary constants and the independent variables are same, means then the solution should be in first order. If arbitrary constants are more than the number of independent variables, then we can go for the second or third order derivatives. Right, we'll see the problems, you will understand very easily. Right, first problem, solve z equal to x plus a y plus b. Here if you see, what are the variables? Number of z is dependent variable. Here z is dependent variable, x and y are independent variables. Z is dependent, x comma y should be independent variables, a comma b are what is that? Arbitrary constants. A comma b are arbitrary constants. Now, if arbitrary constants and independent variables are both are in same order, if number of arbitrary variables should be 2, arbitrary constant 2, and number of independent variables is also 2, then the solution is in the first order PDE. Right, now, what I'll take the given equation z equal to x plus a into y plus b. This is the equation number 1. If you do dou z by dou x, differentiation of z with respect to x, this is dou z by dou x is p. What is the differentiation of z with respect to x? What is the differentiation of x should be 1, a should be 0, y plus b you will get. So 1 into y plus b, this is nothing but y plus b. Now this one, just what I have done here, differentiate partially with respect to x I have done. So here before going to this differentiation also, what is p? P is nothing but we will use these notations. P is dou z by dou x. What is q? Q is nothing but dou z by dou y. What is R? This notations will use. Notation should be R is nothing but dou square z by dou x square. S is nothing but dou square z by dou x into dou y. And T is nothing but dou square z by dou y square. These are the notations we'll use. This only I'll write z suffix x, z suffix y, and next one should be z double x. Next one should be zxy, and next one should be z double y. So this is one is P, another one should be Q, another one should be R is nothing but z double x, S is nothing but zxy, T is nothing but z double y. Next, again, equation 1, differentiate partially with respect to x I have done. Equation 1, differentiate partially with respective to y. If you do with respective to y, so you will get dou z by dou y is nothing but differentiation of z with respect to y is nothing but q. Dou z by dou y is q. Now, I'll keep x plus a as a constant. Differentiation of y is 1, b is nothing but 0, 1 plus 0. Now, I'll write dou z by dou y equal to q. Q is nothing but x plus a. Now, this one I can take it as equation number 2, and this one should be, I'll take it as equation number 3. Now, here what is our aim? I have to eliminate this a and b. So, whatever you can do operations, arithmetic operations you can do, but you should have to eliminate that a and b. So, to eliminate that, just in the place of x plus a, I'm going to put q. And in the place of y plus b, I'm going to put p. That means from equation 2 and 3, from equation 2 and equation 3 in equation 1. Now z equal to x plus a. What is that? X plus a is nothing but dou z by dou y. What is y plus b? Y plus b is nothing but dou z by dou x. Dou z by dou y into what is that? Dou z by dou x. This is only, I will write it as z equal to p into q, I will write, or q into p also we can write, which is the required solution after eliminating arbitrary constants. Right, next problem. Solve, second one. Solve 2z equal to x square plus by a square plus y square by b square. This is a given problem. So how do you find the solution for this is nothing but, for this we can take 2z equal to x square by a square plus y square by b square. Solution 2z equal to x square by a square plus y square by b square, which is equation number 1. How do you differentiate? Here, see, what are the dependent variable means? Z is dependent. X comma y independent. Independent. A comma b arbitrary. A comma b arbitrary. If number of arbitrary constant is equal to number of independent variables, arbitrary constant should be a comma b. If number of arbitrary constants and number of independent variables are same, then we can, solution should be in terms of first order PDE only. Now, differentiate equation 1, differentiate partially with respect to x. If you differentiate with respect to x, 2 into differentiation of z should be dou z by dou x. That only I'll write 2p also, I'll write dou z by dou x is p, 2p equal to differentiation of x square is nothing but 2x by a square, y square is nothing but 0, b square, y square by b square is 0. Now I'll write 2 into dou z by dou x, or 2p equal to 2x by a square. This only I'll write here. See, I'll write this in next step. 2p equal to, or dou z by dou x equal to, dou z by dou x equal to x by a square. I'll write x by a square. This is p is nothing but dou z by dou x. And next one should be equation 1, differentiate partially with respect to y. Equation 1, differentiate partially with respect to y. Equation 1, differentiate partially with respect to y. If you differentiate with respect to y, so you will get, so what are the differentiate you can do? So 2 into x square by a square is 0, y square by b square is there. So 2 into differentiation of z should be dou z by dou y equal to 2 into dou z by dou y equal to x square by a square is 0, y square is nothing but 2y. This one should be 0, y square is nothing but 2y by b square. This sometimes I'll write 2 into dou z by dou y this only we will write 2 times q equal to 2y by b square I can write. Now this only I can write it as dou z by dou y equal to y by b square I can write. Now here we know that what is that this one should be I can write it as equation number say previous one, and this equation if you take dou z by dou x equal to x by a square is one equation. Dou z by dou y equal to y by b square is another equation. This is equation number 3 we can take, and the previous one we can take it as equation number 2. Previous one we can take it as equation number 2 we can take. This is equation number 2. So if you take from equation 1, we have to use in equation 1. If I'll take this, you see 1 by a square value should be, 1 by a square value should be, I can bring this x this side, I'll get 1 by x into dou z by dou x. The time I can substitute it here directly. 1 by a square value. Or otherwise, 1 by a square value if you take, that one directly will get. In this one, 1 by a square value you can substitute it, and 1 by b square value you can substitute it, and we can simplify it. Right. So how do you simplify that one? I'll tell. From equation 1, 2z equal to x square by a square is x square I'm taking outside 1 by a square, y square I'm taking outside 1 by b square. Now what is that 1 by a square is nothing but 1 by a square. 1 by a square is 1 by x into dou z by dou x. Now I can write 2z into x square into dou z 1 by x into dou z by dou x plus y square into 1 by b square is nothing but 1 by y into dou z by dou y. Now x this one cancelled, then y this one cancelled. Now 2z equal to x into dou z by dou x plus y into dou z by dou y. What is the dou z by dou x? This one only I'll write 2z equal to x into p plus y into q I'll write. So which is a required solution for the given equation. Either this or this, however you will write, both should be same only. I have used the notations and I've written here. Right, next problem we can take. Find the PDE. Find the PDE of the family. Find the PDE of the family. The family of all spheres. All spheres whose centers lie on the plane z equal to 0 and have a constant radius r. Right. Here they have given find the PDE of the family of spheres whose center lies on the plane z equal to 0. If the center lies on the plane z equal to 0, so we will get solution. The coordinates of the center of the sphere. The coordinates of the center of the sphere can be taken as a comma b comma 0, where a comma b are arbitrary, r is a constant radius. Now the equation of the sphere the equation of the sphere x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square plus z minus 0 whole square equal to r square. Now we can write this only, that is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square plus z square equal to r square. Here what are that a comma b are? A comma b are arbitrary constants. So why we are taking here? See here, what are the dependent variable? Z is dependent here. Z should be always dependent. What is that here? X comma y should be independent. A comma b are arbitrary. R is radius, it's a constant. Arbitrary constants. Here see, independent variable should be x and y are 2 and arbitrary constant should be also 2. The solution should be in first order partial derivative only. I'll take this is equation 1. Now equation 1, differentiate partially with respect to x. We'll differentiate partially with respect to x. 2 into x minus a whole square should be x minus a. Y minus b whole square should be 0. Plus z square should be 2z into differentiation of z is dou z by dou x equal to 0. Now we'll write 2z into dou z by dou x equal to minus 2 into x minus a. This 2 and this 2 get cancelled. So z into p, dou z by dou x, we can write it as, if you want, you can write as minus, that one should be, I'll write as x minus a. Or this only I'll write minus zp equal to x minus a, I'll write. Either if you'll write like this or like this, both should be same. This one I'm taking as equation number 2. Equation number 2, I'm considering this. Considering equation number 2. This is, which is equation number 2. Next, equation 1, differentiate partially with respect to y. We'll differentiate with respect to y. X minus a whole square should be 0. Y minus b whole square should be 2 into y minus b. Plus differentiation of z square should be 2z into dou z by dou y equal to differentiation of r square should be 0. Now I can write 2 into y minus b equal to minus 2 into z into dou z by dou y. I'll cancel this 2. I can write minus z into dou z by dou y equal to y minus b. That only I'll write, or this only I'll write minus z into q equal to y minus b. Minus z into q equal to y minus b. Now we can write here, I can substitute what is that y minus x minus a, what is that y minus b. This is equation number 3. Substitute equation 2, equation 3 in equation 1. We'll substitute what is that x minus a is nothing but x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square plus z square equal to r square. X minus a whole square is nothing but, we can write either this or this. I'll write here minus z into dou z by dou x whole square plus y minus b is nothing but minus z into dou z by dou y whole square plus z square equal to r square. I can take z square outside. So if you square it this one, z square into dou z by dou x whole square plus z square into dou z by dou y whole square plus z square equal to r square. Now we can write dou z by dou x whole square plus dou z by dou y whole square plus 1 into z square equal to r square. Plus 1 into z square equal to, we will take it as this one should be that r square, which is the required solution for the given equation. Right, one more problem we can do in this. Right here only see. So here I have written, so that equal to this is r square. You take z square outside and you can write which is the required solution for the given equation. So the solution should be dou z by dou x is first order differential equation only. But here order is 1, degree is 2 for this. Next, I can solve one more problem. If the number of independent variables or less, constants or more means how do you simplify that one? We can take, right? Solve x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square equal to 1. Right, so this is the given thing. Solution x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square equal to 1, which is equation number 1. Now equation 1, see here, dependent variable. So what is that dependent means? Dependent should be z. Independent. So what is that independent is nothing but x comma y. Arbitrary constants. Arbitrary constants. How many arbitrary constants are there means here? A, B, C. Here number of arbitrary constants are more than the number of independent variables. Arbitrary constant should be 3. Independent variable should be 2. So independent variables should be 2. So now here arbitrary constants are more than the independent variables. So the solution should not come in first order. It will go for the second order. That means we have to differentiate with respect to x twice and with respect to y twice. Like that we have to do. Now I'll take equation 1. Equation 1, differentiate partially with respect to x. We'll differentiate partially with respect to x. Differentiation of x square should be 2x by a square. Y square by b square should be 0. Z square should be 2z by c square into dou z by dou x equal to 0. And this one should be first one. This only if I'll simplify here 2, if I'll take common and I'll send it that side, I'll get x by a square plus z by c square into dou z by dou x equal to 0. Similarly, equation 1, differentiate partially with respect to y. You will get differentiation of x square by a square is 0. Y square should be 2y by b square into dou z by dou y. So, differentiation of y is 1. Differentiation of y should be, what is that? 2y into dou z by 2y into dou z by dou y will not come here. That is with respect to y is 1. X square by a square is here 0. If you want, you can put 0 plus 2y by b square. Next, differentiation of z square is nothing but plus 2z into 2z by c square into dou z by dou y equal to 0. This only will write y by b square plus z by c square into dou z by dou y equal to 0. Dou z by dou y equal to 0. This one I can take it as this equation should be equation number 3 I'll take, and this equation should be equation number 2 I'll take. Now equation 2, differentiate partially with respect to x. Differentiate partially with respect to x we will do. Differentiation of x by a square should be 1 by a square plus z by c square is there, 1 by c square is there. So if we'll differentiate this, z into differentiation of dou z by dou x is dou square z by dou x square plus dou z by dou x into differentiation of z should be dou z by dou x equal to 0. Now 1 by a square plus 1 by c square into z into dou square z by dou x square plus dou z by dou x whole square equal to 0. This is one thing. From in this, I can write from in this here dou z by dou x is nothing but, so I can keep as it is. Here 1 by a square is there. So is it possible to find here should be dou z by dou x, z by c square, here 1 by c square is there. Is it possible to find from equation 1, see, not from equation 1, from equation 2, x by a square plus z by c square into dou z by dou x equal to 0. This only I can write x by a square equal to z by c square into dou z by dou x into dou z by dou x. Now, from using this, we can write 1 by a square. I'll write 1 by a square equal to, from in this, z divided by c square into x into dou z by dou x. Z divided by c square x into dou z by dou x. Now this one I can take it as equation number 4. This is equation 4. Equation 4. Now substitute this. Substitute equation 4 in 3. So you will get in equation 4, in equation 3, we get 1 by a square value should be 1 by a square. The value of 1 by a square in equation 3 if I will substitute. So I will get, what is that equation 4? We know that. So if you will substitute this one I am using here, minus in the place of here. If you will use z by c square x, dou z by dou x, z by minus z by c square x into dou z by dou x equal to, so are equal to, or just we can take it as what is that here, what is there, that one you can take it as plus 1 by c square, sorry, plus 1 by c square into, plus 1 by c square into z into dou square z by dou x square, z into dou square z by dou x square, z into dou square z by dou x square plus dou z by dou x whole square equal to 0. Now I can take here throughout 1 by c square I can take common. So z by x into dou z by dou x plus I can write z into dou square z by dou x square plus dou z by dou x whole square equal to 0. This 1 by c square, if we cross multiply this, we will get z by x dou z by dou x plus z into dou square z by dou x square plus dou z by dou x whole square equal to 0, which is the required solution for the given equation. I'm telling here, always partial differential equations solutions are not unique. You can express in different way also. PDE solutions are not unique. Right. So here, see, what is the difference? Already I told that here arbitrary constants are more than the independent variables. Whenever the arbitrary constants are more than the independent variables, we can say that if the solution comes in the second order partial derivatives. The solution comes in the second order partial derivatives. So here the second order partial derivatives appeared. In previous problems, number of arbitrary constants and independent variables are same, means the solution should be in terms of first order partial differential equations. So with this, we are winding up elimination of arbitrary constants topic.